When adding a new directory, you also have the options to select is group or is personal. Firstly, is personal is deactivated by default, and you require WorkPool administration rights to activate this feature. In the event that is personal is activated, it can be used in the following way. If organizations allow staff members to create is personal directories, you will immediately see that the Publish Folder 2 options have been deactivated. If I press Save, go to the directory and search for this directory that I have just created, you will see that the little icon next to Staff Member 1 is a little yellow smiley face. This means that this is a personal folder for the staff member to store any personal information that he receives on the company system. Personal directories will only be seen by staff members, and no one else, not even a WorkPool administrator, will be able to access this directory. The same options as what you will have on a normal directory also applies to this directory. As a WorkPool consultant, I normally recommend to my clients to leave is personal deactivated. This is to ensure that the organization's primary database only houses information about the organization and not personal staff information. The other option is to add a group, and you will see that the Publish Folder 2 options remain available. Let's take Mr. Soap as an example. Mr. Soap is a businessman and he has multiple businesses. In WorkPool and in the directory, we would like to group all these businesses together, and this is where isGroup comes in. As you can see, I've given the group the listed name of Soap Group, and that this group has been created to group all Mr. Soap's businesses together. If I press Save, you will notice that the Soap group looks a little bit different than a normal directory. Manage Members allows me to add multiple members to this directory. If I type in Soap, all the various soap companies become available. I want to add Soap Industries. I can click Add to List, and then I can say Soap International. Add that to the list, and the last one is Soap Pty Ltd. You will notice that I never added Jane Soap, Joe Soap or Fred to this group, as they are people and this group is being created for his various companies. If I press Save and click Back, I will see that there are various members to this group. The value of a group is that if I go to Entry Properties, I will see two new options. The first is to send a group email, and the second is to send a group text message. This will ensure that all stakeholders, part of all the various companies, receives the bulk communication.